In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage on Microsoft Outlook. If your mailbox is running out of space, this quick cleanup on Outlook for the web will help you get back under the limit without confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and select the official Outlook website from Microsoft. Sign in if you're not already. This walkthrough is for Outlook on the web, which is the outlook.live.com experience. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for the small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. If you see a compact panel, that's okay. Just proceed to the section where you can manage your account options. From there, choose Account to get to the account-related controls, and then select Storage. This takes you to a page that shows how your mailbox space is being used, broken down by folders. On the storage page, you'll see folders like deleted items, junk email, archive, and others, along with how much space each is using. The idea here is simple. Empty the folders that are consuming space to immediately free up storage. Before you clear anything, take a moment to scan for any messages or attachments you might still need. If there's something important, download the attachment or move the email to a folder you intend to keep. Remember, emptying a folder is permanent and can't be undone. When you're ready, click the Empty option next to a folder you want to clear. A prompt will appear asking what you want to remove. Choose All to clear everything in that folder, then click OK to confirm. Outlook will process the deletion, and the storage used by that folder should drop accordingly. Repeat the same steps for each folder you want to clean. Most people start with deleted items and junk email, since these are usually safe to purge. If your archive or sent items folders are large,